Hey guys, so it's morning and we are leaving for Abbey Falls. Abbey Falls. Abbey Falls. Abbey Falls. So yeah, we're leaving now. Everyone's ready. Hi. How's your mood? Why? Wait. Okay, we're on the way to Abbey Falls, and this gentleman, he is going by two-wheeler. He said that we asked for directions, but he insisted that he will take us, guide us through the route. So such a gentleman he is, and yeah, maybe humanity still exists. This is in Coorg, Madikeri.
You are shameless. Never heard them like this. Streaming now.
Hey guys, we have reached Abbey Falls. Not reached, we've reached the location for Abbey Falls. So this is the parking, and yeah, it's going good. Mom is there. Okay, this is the entrance, and we have to use steps. Entrance of Abbey Falls. बोल लिया मैं already. नहीं तब भी बोल लिया तुम्हें वो ब्लॉग. Okay, but since no one is there, so I'll remove them. Okay, people are coming. Huh? Okay. Okay, so here it goes, the reveal of the Abbey Falls. It's good. Okay, so yes. Okay, wow. It's good. Be high. Okay, so I don't think you can hear anything because the falls is behind. जी दिख रहा है बराबर? नहीं, white दिख रहा है. This is the falls. So That is the falls. Nothing special. Falls. So the description of the falls is that it's white in color because the water is white. No, water is transparent. No, then why is it white? Because of the foam, I think. I don't know. Guys, one interesting thing about this falls is that the bridge you can see here. So on the other side, that is being devastated by the flow of the falls. So you can imagine how fast that flow might have been to break the bridge actually. And also another reason, on the other side, you have one creature that is called Binod. Okay, time to go to another attraction. So bye. Abbe falls है ये. DJ again. But it's fine, चलेगा. And we have to climb all the way. I don't know. To the top there. Somewhere there. Use dustbins. Nice. Okay.
चलो चलो
Peace. Bye. Hey guys, so we are here at Raja's tomb. This one. So, information. He was a king, and this is his resting place, last resting place. Huh? The entrance fees is 10 rupees per person. So 4 of them 40 rupees. Okay.
I'm not interested, dude. I'm out of station. I'm out of station. अभी बंद करता हूँ कपड़ा.
Fun. The video, the photography is not prohibited inside the tomb, so I am not shooting anything which is inside. And be notifications, and you have to. Okay, nothing. 2 tombs, one here and one here. Yeah, it's okay. Not. अब क्या बोले हम tomb के बारे में? But the garden is well maintained. As you can see, there are many people working here also. So this is a well maintained garden, mind you. Hey guys, so change of plans. We are bored in Coorg basically, so we decided to go to KRS. Yeah, that is what's happening now. Change of plans. Hey guys, we are again at Ashirwad Grand Pure Veg, which we came yesterday because we left Coorg because it is boring and it was hot in Coorg, Madikeri. It was hot, so we were like, there's no use, and we were on the way to KRS. Now KRS is 12 kilometers from this point, and we thought we'll go to KRS, but the weather. It's raining heavily. It's raining cats. Okay. So it's raining cats and dogs. So we are having our old coffee, which we had yesterday, and yesterday. So yeah, we have to see where we go now. Where we plan. We have to see where we go now or plan because unplanned trips. Nice weather. Hey guys, so we are in Srirangpatna now. We just stopped because there was some problem with the windshield, so we just stopped and just a quick update. And the frames might come blurry because of the light settings and focus kuch to wala. And yeah, it's going good now. Hey guys, so this was the vlog, Kurg vlog. That was the end because after that we drove directly to my home and I was the one who was driving, so I couldn't record anything really. Night driving, gotta keep your eyes open. So that was that, and we thought we'll go to Mysore on the way, but unfortunately on that day it was Bharat Bandh and all the places in Mysore were barricaded, it seems. So we didn't want to take any risks, so we went straight to home. So, and if you like this vlog, please like the video and comment down what was your favorite part in this vlog, because I liked editing this vlog and shooting this. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and for more same content and more physiotherapy content, keep watching Shahulan Vlogs. Until then, bye bye.